Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel BCA Education, your learning partner for BCA subject Discrete Structure. In our previous videos, we understood operations on sets and laws of theory, and also we solved some problems too. So hope you understood. In today's class, we are moving to a very important concept, laws of theory. It is very important for you in the manner of exam also. These laws form the rules or formulas to solve the problems in a simple or easier and faster way. First, what do we mean by laws of theory in discrete structure? Do anyone knows? Think of them like grammar rules. How to use how it makes us to correctly simplify or rewrite logical expressions. These laws are mainly used in Boolean algebra and set theory to make our work neat and simplify and also quick. So let's go through some of the most important laws one by one. Let us note down. Okay, let's begin with the most important first one. What we are doing, laws of theory. So the first one will be commutative law. There are many laws. We will see some of the important laws. So first one is commutative law. In general mathematics, also you have seen what is commutative law. What is commutative law? It is A plus B equals B plus A. So in this set theory, if A and B are any two sets, then if A and B are any two sets, we will get it. First one is A union B equals B union A, and the second is A intersection B equals B intersection A. This is nothing but the same. A plus B equals B plus A. In the same manner, A union B equals B union A. A intersection B equals B intersection A. And the second one is associative law. What is associative law? Even this you have seen in general mathematics. What is associative law? A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. In the same way, we have two formulas for associative law in set theory, which is that first one is A union B union C equals A union B union C, and A intersection B intersection C equals A intersection B intersection C. You have to only exchange the brackets. A union B union C equals A union B union C. In the same way it is for intersection also. So let's go for the third law, distributive law. Even this you have heard, right? In general mathematics we have heard even distributive law. So what is distributive law in general, I'm asking? A plus B minus C equals A plus B minus A plus C. You have this general formula. But in set theory, you have two formulas. Which are they? A union B intersection C. Here the signs will differ. Equals A union B intersection A union C. In the same way for intersection. A intersection B union C equals A intersection B union A intersection C. Did you understood? These are the three laws which you have already learnt in your lower classes. One is commutative law, associative law, distributive law. In the same way, it is even for in set theory. So you can understand these three easily. Now let's go for the fourth law, which is De Morgan's law. I hope so you have learnt in your first PU, second PU and all. Let me recall once again. De Morgan's law, it is bit a new one for you. So first one is A union B whole dash equals A dash intersection B dash. If union comes here, after equals intersection comes, or A intersection B whole dash equals A dash union B dash. This dash, whole dash, it can also be written as A union B whole dash. In this manner also you can write up of the complement. It is said as complement or dash, anything. Okay. In the same way for this too, A intersection B whole dash equals A dash union B dash. So this will be your De Morgan's law. So these are the four types of law. First one is commutative law, second one is associative law, third one is distributive law, fourth one is De Morgan's law. And now let's go for the fifth type of law, idempotent law. This you're hearing first time, I think so. So what is idempotent law? Same. In this you will be having only a single set. You won't be having double set. You'll be having only single set. Let A be any set. Only single set. Let A be any set, then A union A. First one is A union A equals A, and A intersection A equals A, which is combining a set or intersects. If you combine a set also, or if you intersect a set with itself, it gives the same set. A union A equals A, or else A intersection A is also the same set, A itself. Okay. Did you understand what is idempotent law? Let's go for the sixth type of law, which is identity law. I think you have heard of this identity law. Even this will be having a single set. Identity law, which is A union null set. This is called as null set equals A itself. If you don't have any set in the second set, then the first set will be only the answer. The second one is A intersection universal set equals A. This is universal, and this is, if I give U for U up like this, it is universal. If I write only U, it is union. Okay. So don't get confused between union and universal. Next, let's go for the seventh type of set, which is complement set, which is also called as inverse law. Complement law, or which is also called as inverse law. Okay, what is complement law or inverse law? Even in this set, you'll be having only one A. So A union A dash equals universal set. A union A dash universal set. Or A intersection A dash equals null set. This is said as complement of A or A dash. A union A dash or complement of A is universal set. A intersection A dash equals null set. A dash means complement of A. And this is also called as principle of duality. This is also called as principle of duality. And let's go for the eighth type of law, which is double complement law, which is called as double complement law. You have heard about this? No, right? Okay. This is a single complement law, and this will be double complement. For single complement, how you will give A dash? For double complement, A dash and one more dash. A double dash equals A. Okay. Or you can write like this also. A dash whole dash equals A. Understood? So let's go to the last type of law, which is called as domination law. Domination law, dominating. You know what is dominating, right? Suppressing. Dominating is suppressing. So, what is this? A union universal set equals universal set itself. A union universal set is universal set itself. In the same way, A intersection null set equals null set itself, which will be in the second set. The equal will, after equal, it will be the same set. So these are the main laws of theory in discrete structure. So we have learned commutative law, associative law, distributive law, De Morgan's law, idempotent law, identity law, complement law, double complement law, and at last, so these are the main laws of theory in discrete structure. I hope you understood. In our next video, we will prove some laws step by step so that you will understand how to solve it in a much easier way. Don't forget to watch the full video as it is very important for your exams. If you found this helpful, please click on the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel BCA Education, and click on the bell icon for more updates so that you will never miss any videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.